Hi, I'm Lisa Polsek
And I'm Eric Polsek.
and welcome to 25 Cobden Street in Enfield.
I think the thing that strikes you most about this home when you first walk in is the space. There's loads of it.
Absolutely. The block is big. Also inside the house there's plenty of room. Plenty of room for the kids, dogs or the whole family. You could even fit your vintage car collection in the backyard.
There's no doubt that it needs a bit of TLC, but it's got good bones and that's what counts.
And the location is great. Just a few doors down is Enfield Public School. Enfield is another one of those great inner west suburbs that's still close to the CBD, but not as pricey as other suburbs closer in.
That's right, it's definitely a growth area and it's only 13 kilometres to the city. Close by this house you've also got Henley Park and the popular Enfield Aquatic Centre, another aspect that makes it really attractive to families.
Inside there's 3 bedrooms plus a study, a covered patio area, a combined dining living room plus separate kitchen. Through the kitchen there's a large laundry area with another shower.
Some of the original features, such as beautiful handmade built-in furniture, still exist. To me, it adds that charm of stepping back in time to another era. This one has so much potential. For buyers looking for that perfect property to put your own stamp on, you might just have found it here.
But don't take my word for it, come and have a look for yourself. I look forward to seeing you at one of my open homes.